Did I ever tell you the story though about that, like a card I made like $1,200 on? I was going to auctions at the time. I hit up my mom and I'm like, Mom, do you want to go to this auction that's like 3 hours away? Like, do you want to just go? And so I researched the stuff before. One of the things they have these cards. Red Grange, a University of Illinois football player from the 1920s. And there's 10 of them. I bid, it was 70. And then they're like, you get to pick any of these 10 cards. I didn't know which one I was going to pick. So I just randomly, I pick this card. Turns out it's the holy grail of the entire deck. And I send it down to get grading and they're like, hey, like there's like 4 of these in existence. And, you know, we don't even know what it's worth. They're like, it could be worth like $500 to $700, but we don't know. So I threw it up on eBay for $1,500 and someone wanted it immediately for $1,200. So I'm like, okay, I probably could have got more.